The 2026 Mahindra Jeeto Minivan arrives as an efficient and practical solution in the microvan segment, targeting small business owners and commercial fleet operators. Mahindra has positioned the Jito to meet the needs of last-mile connectivity, and in its 2026 iteration, it continues to emphasize affordability, utility, and durability. With a refreshed look and mechanical tweaks, the van maintains its utilitarian charm while offering subtle enhancements that make it more competitive in its class. The exterior design of the 2026 Jito Minivan retains the basic silhouette of its predecessor but incorporates minor updates. The new front fascia features a bolder grille and slightly reshaped headlamps that give it a more defined road presence. The side profile remains largely functional with minimal sculpting, keeping production costs low. Its compact size allows it to weave through narrow city lanes effortlessly, which is vital for urban delivery tasks. In terms of interior, the cabin is built around simplicity and function. The dashboard is made of hard plastics, but Mahindra has ensured it is well assembled and durable. The 2026 version now includes a more modern instrument cluster and an optional digital display for trip information. Seating comfort is decent for the segment, and the bench-style passenger seat allows for 1 or 2 companions depending on the variant. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, aiding maneuverability in tight spaces. Space is where the Jito Minivan shines. Despite its compact footprint, it offers generous headroom and a flat floor at the back, optimizing the cargo area. The rear compartment is accessed through wide opening doors, making loading and unloading hassle-free. Mahindra claims a payload capacity that remains class-leading, catering well to logistics operators and small businesses transporting goods. Under the hood, the 2026 Jito Minivan is powered by a refined single-cylinder, 625cc diesel engine. While not particularly powerful, it delivers sufficient torque for city commuting and light cargo transport. The engine is mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox, offering predictable performance and decent fuel economy. For the 2026 model, Mahindra has slightly retuned the engine for better low-end torque and reduced vibrations. One of the standout aspects of the Jito has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation, with claimed mileage figures exceeding 30 km/l under test conditions. It continues to be a cost-effective vehicle for fleet usage. In real-world scenarios, even with partial loads, the van consistently delivers impressive fuel savings over time. Driving dynamics are basic but functional. The suspension setup, comprising McPherson struts at the front and a semi-trailing arm at the rear, is tuned for load carrying rather than comfort. Nevertheless, the ride quality remains tolerable over urban potholes and speed breakers. Steering feedback is minimal but responsive enough for tight turns and city driving. Safety has been a growing concern in the segment, and Mahindra has responded by offering basic safety features. The 2026 Jito Minivan includes seat belts, a reinforced body structure, and optional ABS. While it still lacks airbags in the base variant, top-end trims may offer them as optional extras, depending on regional regulations. The braking system is adequate for a vehicle of this class. Front disc brakes and rear drum units ensure reliable stopping power even when the van is fully loaded. Brake fade is minimal under regular use, and the van maintains stability during sudden braking thanks to the improved chassis tuning. One of the main advantages of owning a Jito Minivan is its low maintenance cost. The 2026 model carries forward Mahindra's tradition of affordable spare parts and accessible service networks across the country. Routine servicing is inexpensive, and the simplicity of the drivetrain makes repairs easier even in rural workshops. Technology integration remains basic, but there are signs of progress. The van now offers optional features such as a mobile charging port, LED cabin lights, and a basic infotainment system with USB connectivity. While not luxurious, these additions improve user experience for both drivers and passengers. Customization options are another strong point. Mahindra allows buyers to configure the Jito Minivan in various layouts, a passenger, cargo, or mixed, making it highly adaptable to different business needs. Some variants also offer roof carriers and partitioned rear compartments for secure delivery of valuable items. The resale value of the Jito has traditionally been strong, thanks to its reputation for reliability and economy. The 2026 update reinforces this by retaining proven mechanicals while enhancing usability. This makes it a smart investment for entrepreneurs looking for long-term utility. Competition in the microvan market has increased, but the Mahindra Jeeto continues to hold its ground due to its affordability and after-sales support. Compared to rivals from Tata or Piaggio, it often undercuts on price while offering comparable or superior cargo space and mileage. User feedback over the years has helped Mahindra refine the Jito. The 2026 model benefits from quieter cabin acoustics, slightly better ergonomics, and improved body panel alignment. While it doesn't aim for premium refinement, it succeeds in delivering practical improvements based on real-world needs. In summary, the 2026 Mahindra Jeeto Minivan remains a no-nonsense, hard-working commercial vehicle that fulfills its role with dedication. It's not meant to be flashy or feature-packed but instead focuses on what matters most: cost efficiency, reliability, and practicality. For small businesses and logistics providers, it continues to be a trustworthy partner on the road.